adventure brings us to Phantom Falls, possibly the prettiest and most spectacular falls in Northern California during spring. Located in the North Table Mountain Ecological Reserve, it is a 1 hour and 15-minute drive north of Sacramento off of Highway 70 in Oroville, California. A land pass is required for each visitor who is 16 years of age or older. However, visitors who are in possession of a valid California hunting or fishing license in their name are exempt. Land passes must be purchased online. You can pause the video now and scan the QR code for the link. We will be starting at number 1 here, which is the parking lot, then heading down the canyon to the lower Ravine Falls, and then back up to Phantom Falls. We are only doing the outback today, which is about 4 miles and 534 feet of elevation gain. This area is a hidden gem that attracts nature enthusiasts from all over. The stunning waterfalls surrounded by lush greenery is a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're looking for a peaceful hike or a stunning photo opportunity, Phantom Falls has something for everyone. With its clear and refreshing air, breathtaking views, and rich history, this waterfall is a must visit for anyone from winter to spring. The perfect time to visit is after a good rainfall. Phantom Falls is a seasonal waterfall that only flows during the rainy season and early spring. It earns its name because it disappears during the dry season. We managed to pick the perfect day to visit. The wildflowers are in full bloom, and it just stopped raining about an hour ago. If you like our content and want to see more, please always remember to like and subscribe. Cattle grazing on the reserve is used as a management tool to reduce non-native grass species to benefit the native plants. Despite the impact, range management practices have contributed to maintaining spectacular wildflower blooms every spring. Hey buddy, how are you? He's like, I don't care about you, I just care about filling my belly. Yep. How can you tell?
Better.
Don't you love these oak trees?
Yeah, they're so beautiful.
When they're out here by themselves.
In the plains.
So no other oak trees around them.
Yep.
So pretty. See that waterfall over there? Yeah, this is the way, the trail. Wow, look at these rock formations. Moss on them. Almost like little columns breaking off from the main rock. I hear the waterfall now. Getting close. Not Phantom Falls, but the other one. This is the California newt, or orange-bellied newt. I wouldn't recommend touching one though, because its skin produces a potent toxin. Although if you were to handle them, they probably wouldn't hurt you, just as long as you wash your hands real quick right after. They, however, do have enough poisonous toxin to kill a human if you were to eat one. Waterfall, so cool. So pretty. There's the top of Ravine Falls. Right there, that's where we just were. At the bottom of, came all the way up this hill. We're probably about halfway up to the top of Phantom Falls. Almost there. Very pretty. So the best time to come here is in the spring, when the water's flowing and all the flowers are blooming. Funny story, I had a blowout. My bottoms coming off, so I found some twine to tie it up, and now I notice that this side is starting to do the same thing. That's why you don't wear old boots. And the reason I wore these is because it was supposed to be really muddy, which it is, and really wet, which it is. But what are you laughing at?
Because usually it happens to me, and now it happened to you, which is even funnier.
Well, now I gotta, we're not even to Phantom Falls yet. We gotta get there and then get back with a floppy sole. So peaceful up here. You hear all the birds. So relaxing and peaceful. I mean, just look at this view. Almost there. 0.1 miles. And here we are. The first sightings of Phantom Falls. Wow. We made it to the top, well, at least close to the top.
There.
Of Phantom Falls. The history of the falls dates back to the 1800s when gold was discovered in the area. The falls were used as a source of water for nearby mines and became a popular spot for local miners to rest and relax. Over the years, the waterfall and surrounding areas have been used for various purposes, including logging, agriculture, and recreation. The North Table Mountain Ecological Reserve is a unique and diverse ecosystem that is home to a wide variety of plants and animal life. The area was created by ancient lava flows. The approximately 3,300 acre Table Mountain is an elevated basalt rock mesa. There is a shaft of an abandoned gold mine in the grotto behind the falls that dates back to the California Gold Rush. Today there is no gold there, but research still takes place in the mine shaft. So there's actually a trail that goes up over here and then down here. I don't know if you can see the people, and then back over here there's a cave back behind the waterfall. I don't know if we're gonna do it though because it's pretty steep, it's wet, and it's been raining. It's actually raining right now. So unfortunately, because my shoes were coming apart and it was raining and wet, we decided that it was just way too dangerous to go down behind the waterfall. The way going down is very steep. Someone has installed a rope about halfway down to help you as you go, but it is just way too dangerous for us to go today. We are just going to enjoy a nice picnic lunch on top of the falls and enjoy all the views. We have made it to the top of Phantom Falls. Clouds look dark coming in. Time to head back. One last view of the top of Phantom Falls. At about a quarter of a mile back from the top of Phantom Falls, there is a little small trail that breaks off from the main trail and takes you to an outcrop where you can see both Phantom Falls and Little Phantom Falls at the same time. We are headed that way now.